other persons found to be complicit in these unlawful mining activities. Mebacho, you can now react to it.
No, what can you know? People rather took it illegal mining and oil and amount for report. But I listened to the guy who even made the press conference. Some kind of from illegal tax force. So before report to say were involved in illegal mining. If you look mining related issues are fine.
We know. Attorney General no na direct you could say.
Attorney General na direct you, but okay, third party report. Now what can you be reportage?
And you know, patches say Attorney General one directly a year remonacha say.
He has directed them because there's an issue, there's an allegation. Into a direct investigation. But that's why there's an allegation. But allegation, no. I think the source, no. What the allegation they buy, no. It was, I think, the vice chairman said, "No, yes, that press conference, no. If you can look for it, listen to what he said. The address was about saying, "Well, now for illegal mining, illegal tax force. Sorry, illegal tax force, but they were not alleged to be involved in an illegal mining. That I still take my neck out." Because it's here. But that being as it's made, no doesn't stop any other person say, so why is it there? One train, no one can answer. Granted, because were involved in illegal mining. Then I can answer it doesn't stop the law from working against Woundini.
It doesn't.
Yes, absolutely. So here in Amrano. Except the one you want, they are fine. But they are ongoing. It's in the process. One file report to my. And the other side, they should fast track the reports as the investigation. No file report to them. What report to them? No, indicted. That should be sure doing that. You can voice in your council. We have some saying out things. I was way illegal mining. And you know where you're working. Why is you what they are? And the big answer, they won't give them an answer, and an answer. It is a no yes standard. Say, I mean, no, they might, you won't be no free and then if I couldn't so quick that the Nico say, I'm practicing a legal mind and never so a saving issue. Baby, yes, to make a non man Saudi. It wouldn't have a magic can say, and you'll be a what or right to appeal and whatever. And you're going to be man. And also who's in front of Humpudia. And it's the better than also your standards. Now you mean no one delegation and say I'm composed way mine on should be in front of Humpudia now.
This is a quote from this is a quote from the AG to Iyoko, dated 15th July 2025. Or say I write to direct your esteemed office to initiate investigations into suspected illegal mining activities being perpetrated by certain individuals within mining districts in the country. Ghanaian Times.
Yeah. And the paper then everybody.
Where are your Ghanaian Times? It's a quote almost lifted from the letter.
I me say, ABOTCHIE. My fan is a Grammy drop me the damn kind of said me fan and theater no kind in it. Maybe I'm wrong. So I got it. The one that now can I am. And no in Tianka said you better and no banana other mining, legal mining related issues. Can I say related issues are other courts no. Yes, you can confirm say I mean with the Bassa Yatiana. But in disaster Benjamin.
But wait for Sabri, I know you know more. Any views? Oh, that's the actual of mine.
Yes, because more my uncle say, sir, existential threat now. Yeah, to home command, everybody, I had a politics work as well. I think it's a grab bag and see. I say, if you say, let me pass everybody say, if I say, we never over my own threat or my own. Existential threat, no. Young sir, I can go. The thing you did in your national assistance because we're talking about money issue. As I said, black men is now America for fighting now. I don't know if Moscow. What I say, people are not ready to back off. And then you bet me here. Now they care amount for say, I think the Nepal are too risky. And the Maya and Kamania and I mean that it's coming to other businesses. Something to just how to at least curtail her activities now, SIA, and I call me. And I don't think that young trying to be investigation, will be another work quarter. When I investigation, you actual judgment, that's all. I'm saying about it. I don't think that's a defense. Honestly, but I still stand by the kind of they were not alleged to have been involved in illegal mining. What I heard them say that time, they said they were involved in the form of illegal tax force. I was extort sika from miners.
Sir, almost extorted sika from miners, sir. Then it means that almost just kind of free miners no rather. Obama miners no kwang emomuyo mojuma. So they can also say
illegal mining related issue. What are they?
Anti-facilitation no.
Absolutely. But where we are now, it's an allegation.
Sure.
There's a lawyer investigation in UK. All right? The lawyer investigation in the SOMPA. They accept I think that no, you know. No call on the government to act. And the compassion is what if you need the allegation into the you cannot force there to be there when there is not there.
Okay, sir. Mate. Okay, sir. Yamam Pening, President John Dramani Mama, a baby or Jitu say, people are one more a ben no, and be more one more a year the political party, you know, involved in illegal mining. I can say illegal mining had deeply infiltrated the Ghanaian society. Okay, this statement.
Much is a man for, but because being right information from that end, you know, I am not privy to say make that to success them how kinds and Crawford involved in it.
I remember sir, about 3 or 4 days ago, some voice you know me ball fear.
Okay.
So it's something what do you expect the president to do on this particular statement?
Well, sir, illegal mining, there are KPI mining, KPI man, among a bank, anything soon any better.
Sure.
It is a lot of soon into, you know, better say, you need to, I think,
no, correct.
Right, meaning it is still in existence. But it's why actually. We wait to also now the bankruptcy, a man for the year, if it was one up entity miners and NDC miners and a year. Bring the information out. Report to NIMOS. What the complaint about NIMOS are? What you want another boy?
Nasa Mampinina can say, one who nim uncrophobia, one more or ben na one a party more, one more illegal mining. You expect the president to mention those names? Oh, anytime, any day.
From the president. A third party report. The president can say, minimum performance winning the way involved in illegal mining. I still doubt it. Even Americans, I will want to watch them here. Because it will be an indictment on his government. For him to say that. It wouldn't even know that now, and moment away. Most of the president, Muhammad, they are proud to say this thing. Going to Myanmar, security agencies next week, Cuba, and investigation. Everyone said, Hina, they're involved. Oh, where's the general statement? Because the long data problem, the answer of which it exists. And you know, the can say, remember, illegal mining, military as a cracker. But going to see me enter here. I say, MDC One I'm saying no, why is Sako Sante? Ebo ho nyedi. Ebi she baby asabi wo yedi. Ebi she baby awoye. Baby. Ebo ho wo kwa sana ne party ba power. Njunya ye, onju imo ye. I am not saying just to say that in this DN or involved in illegal mining. I have been as a Ghana for you. But I mean, taking it to MPP in area and NDC in area. I don't want to go there. I mean, say the host of government to solve the problem. That man and everybody or Nami Bonosobo say, and I said, all the Brahman congress will do it. If you want 2 amount, what is it?
Yeah.
Aha. It is NDC and NPP and CPP and everyone only party here is illegal miner. It's involved in it. It's on the time and obey. And I said, obey cover.
Minam Erastus Asari don't call a Facebook page. As someone walk and say, forest under siege. The degradation of Tano Numeri Forest Reserve. Post we and Noechi and yeah. And then Noechi na was I post be. Or see whoever is DC for Impohofiasi in the Western region and the regional minister have failed this country when it comes to Galamsey. And it comes with some pictures and videos of Insua Wawa. I say, does this not come as a worry to the NDC government?
Why not? Why not? Are you worried? Are you worried? Because when you know agents are a case that would you know, it is a phone to another camp. May I mean this area no na sector. Meaning that there's a group called and as there was there were Kua a bank a support on a one every bad and so. However, on 9 months. So what that is. If the other now report on because we see and I didn't see. Now when you something I could do. I'm friend 9 months commander and now whoever. Say I can see me and to see her. You may be saying that because you know man of my mamma. It's like you are alien and abetting. And there's a man who can get really movie. Men doubt. Because also playing out or to let him carry and can. What can and carry for? What the neck on?
No, great.
Because we are banging a bang final machine war. One abandoned your job. What the police will remember. There were other agencies that what women are a bank. I recognize one, say one a woman and fight it. This illegal mine. But the man can never be all over. Open or any. It's a one it is a much now. No man to name Gianna. Then near me on say, I'm a man for saying that. But because of the money movie, I will not hold for you. Maybe you to manage it.
And again, listening to a video, audio of Erastus, and someone walk on and say, anyway, she's in the Galamsey in the crowd here. I can search and canino. Or say, I can search a canino. Musumusha and Mose, Muba Galamsey, no, Mubetuasi. She say, no, so no, Erastus, Amayatia says, Galamsey, no, Ababa Ekase chain canino.
Oh, Erastus, they will be in the Jumoye. And the main contestant is then your Kanayamba and then Yamba. It's one guy, neighbor Nabashidia, because we're dedicated to Jose or be fighting Abua, Abu Devu. You know, I will not main can't say no kind of Yamba and something kind. Or the Abba, one thing. My, you better say, I'm banging bay. One more timeline. Some woman and maybe some. Check young Copa Wakofa Bex says, as I say, I'm going to meet you and among. Na near to start the market. That's the call of Erastus. And I'm a boy. In the abandoned to me, you know, or to say abandoned fee and I'm a boy. And he said, Sabang now, I was saying, no. Of the enemies of a Mambraya Juma. Now, manage the NPP, for example, we are winning. That's what I want to like I say, a ban of crowd to you know. I didn't know a star. Near Kawanga said, you walk to a Magalamse Kosona. Between a bank and the opposition party, and out of the long one. Over one guy.
Any busy.
Oh, one guy.
There be. Bizarre question of you.
Listen, the question is that opposition from the Erasmus winning now will be a Abandon one modern never.
Sure.
The President Mahama from his view of mine. Also, no, but he will go after the kingpin. Now, Mofana said, you mind as a getting it. I want to have one will use for the better excavator, never. No, they are back away. In John Doba, excavator, new run, you may run over after one of the other chase. If, for example, a man from your call is a President Mahama, you show. And on Mariah Juma also all members all interfere with the law. Now, pressure, but catch up with any other person or involved. And the Kobe also President Mahama now, yes, sir, because of the other side of the political divide in our time. If you have one sure Galamsini, that's impossible. Because of the President Mahama, what you said, Mariah Juma. And in Amazon, she has one plenty done by force. Intervene now, woman now of Galamsey.
Mahama, President, His Excellency, on a campaign trail. Mahama, Eka say, one or make a 120-day pledge. Say, Oba Galamsey, and no Brassi. But as we speak now, no, Galamsey, no. Eya kese achen kaneno.
Eya kese as nebo. Eya kese achen kaneno by standard. Because Abano Onayo is making efforts. Abano Oku. Oye neso oye. Ongachi shirek habites debris. Ye were cases debris were courts. You will 9 months for one rescue life. You will friend other agencies that will now fighting. Apart from your abandonment, and then you mark on here. There was always a situation issue by NNO. But the idea of I don't think it will work like that way. One I will call on the president to ask or government to act fast. No, they have a legitimate case.
Sure.
Because as I say, among who next to fire, so that at least there be another kakai who say, "Hey, I'm poor. We not share taboy. I'm from my name. What the junior money? My me exercise. My me sensuality. They are not far from right. But in reality. From one question, President Mahama, she's a 1 hour. That 10 years, and they be at level I didn't know. And how bet me they are so back on the farm, 18 years so. So bet me at the eye there, and then President Mahama to me, come back and come pass away. Why don't you suggest that to the president or the government? But to say that who can obey into nobody get by force in here, I don't see the work of the year. So can't obey it. Nankam Obama. I don't know Kana. Teddy, and now the papa and Jens also. Obey why did he and Pa Obusu? Only because medical has a KPI, no, and you say she any better. So long as it's running into a movement as a success. All right,
sure.
What kind of day overcome? But President Mahama, as I know him, any effort or you know, Yamia Doma and Chen, to the deliver. And a small fight, and yet easy battle.
Yeah, windy up, no. And some bang na catch the MPP for. They have the right to appeal. They have said, say, they'll go to the appellate court. They've asked their lawyers to put together a year and someone or down in the appellate court. No. What message would you leave for Ghanaians as far as the incarceration of a year chairman Wontumi for 20 good years? It's concerned.
Never can say, Marapansono or right to video better way, unless they go off the remit of the law and they don't encourage that. The from Marapanso of a fashion, one fast number more really say, yeah, or Kumbia,
SOMPA FM.
Why you continue putting spooks into the ways of government? And at the same time, we'll also go back and call on the president or the government to act faster, or act it. How will the president or the government, how do they have to act? Then I'm rabbit you. Then I'm rabbit you. They said that amount into the merit of the king. Because when I'm our concession, of Krakow, and then you'll be concession now, put it in. Or restraining one and you. Amount for any bounds, no one say, what the president fact, I have that to come about things out. You know, clearly, there may be more vision, so, away reclamation money. Bravo, I'm so when you're mining, away reclamation.
Na say baby a wo mu ekoko ye reclamation e wo so wo ye reclamation no say den a wo mato efumagudi ho
no hina no ye
eno de say enya kwan bone so na yade a wuntumi ne na ye ma na o certificate wo so de
ye when I say ora Samuel Abuji na po no ye minister in charge of that sector no ba mountain the chance in me. Send the course was sans a year bronze one and it's Yamra and Yamra council. That's number one. Say when I use and you when I will close the hotel. I will can't forget my money pants on coin or then because when you're mining our near reclamation. I don't say although machines is on an area you must because machines are the man so again. I don't know the way. What they say, Nipan, almost a dance you did, then no cafa. Yan in Ghana home first, Nana. Yan in Ghana home. Say that and Obia will be near, Obia will be party member, Obia will be now. Obia will be your man never done jungle. SOMPA. Internet will be for those who are fixed. Only a dinger, Mounts White, I get in a more mining as I will market check. Okay, Ghana. I'm running. You know, Brasso, near Fanya Nebula. A bank can't be able to come up with the big license. Who the hook or no what them want. Go to the council. Brown, what about the which you and I? You think I wanted them finally. But we don't put that in the powerful. You know, Upo, then I make a maybe. You want to me be a back in it. And if it did, you and they will be this you. If you want me in Ghana, can say I'm a motivated to know. It is not to Junia. Like 3 months over the proud about that.
Now, more by move for so then if you not remember.
Oh, and yeah, for a simple. Men Kaza NBs and NB2. And Ghana bra. And the NBs in your powerful or bigger than Ghana bra. We are Tipinia. You are not above the law. Operate within the remit of the law. That's all. We are Bangu, we are Bangu, we are some we are President Mahama himself is not above the law. That's what I get. You enemy are who yet come, but said meaning that can be free of your radio so just because we are mathematics who can't. Well, the enemy they are not finding that. But sometimes pretense, we live in a denial. Oh, pretense. They are pretending that, I'm in solidarity. For all you know, they bring in them run and they did council 10 years. They didn't ever him, but any Ghana come.
I didn't just say anyway, ever asked our mouth, and we didn't come over. Somewhere next week, you know, adding a shower, Hana. That's why I'm commodity. So, more activities. We never announced so much of Corona. I may respond. Matt, yeah, that's it. So, we'll consider that and get back to you. Why?
Okay,
Yami and Shao. And in PSC, and I'll tell Menno, Aiding Como, SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Makacha say, Ubeti with the voice note at the Abba 0249 77 7779 0249 777779. Ubamoding na o de fasa akweni asano o de ba. Maji bread na mabo e de amount. Manya tu bi o ha. Me pese me bonus isi a na mu enti.
ɛwɔ adwumasoma a ɔwɔ som ɔman Ghana area abere abɔkye meden de akafiafoɔ bi a mekasa firi kantamanto abɔkye deɛ na meka ne sɛ ɔwɔ sɛ nkɔmmɔ a wo ne ɔpanyin yi di sisi a menim sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer so ɔyɛ yi I don't know wobusa no question bi sɛ Joseph Yami ne Abanga deɛ no ebinom susu sɛ ebi a ɔno wɔ abɛn mu nti na nte saa no ɔno baabi a ɔde nsɛm no nenam onyi ano nti mesrɛ waa so wɔnte a sɛ ebusa no biem because ontumi deɛ no a wɔka sɛ ɛnyɛ political no ɔboa ɛyɛ political complete because papa no ɔnyɛ bɔne biara most of the lances ama obi na busa no ma me sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer a ɔnti asɛm a meka no yie sɛ mede me lances ama obi sɛ ɔmfa nyɛ adwuma ne sɛ wɔde akɔyɛ biribi ne yɛakye no na ɔse me na mede maa no a mepa kyɛw sɛ obi ɛkɔbɔ korɔ no ɔne obi kɔbɔ korɔ no anaa wokɔtɔ obi adeɛ korɔ no adeɛ a wa a wotɔɔyɛ ɛne wa a wɔtɔ firi hɔ no mmara no kyerɛ sɛ mo nyinaa moyɛ akorɔmfoɔ na ɛbɛsɛn ɛna sɛ nnipa no a wontumi de adeɛ no maa no no ɔno deɛ mo so ɔmfa ne ho nkɔdi enti ɛno koraa gyina hɔ a wola yɛ a woka sɛ wa koraa no wobɛte aseɛ sɛ ade no ɛyɛ political but me deɛ deɛ meka ne sɛ ɛyɛ political ɛnyɛ political mo deɛ mosom agyere no 20 years yɛate yɛbɛsrɛ MPP foɔ mom yɛ nyinaa yɛnka yɛ ho mmɔm na ɛnyɛ adwumaden ɛyɛ dan a John Mama ne 4 years ya obedi party no ogu no ɛno nti na ɔyɛ saa nneɛma na NDC foɔ no ɔmo ani hu because wohwɛ abotire ka kwan a ɔde na fa so a ɛno koraa kyerɛ sɛ boys ɛbia o deɛ MPP mo deɛ mo yɛ mpa yɛ sɛ yɛbɛsa aba bɛm deɛ ba bɛm a yɛsie no yɛbɛtoa so pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ that time yɛnya ɔhene bi yɛnya ɔsɔfo bi yɛnya Christian council bi yɛnya ɔpanyin a ɔkasa sɛ mi gyina hɔ ɛmɛkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm bi saa da wɔn ne nyame yɛ adwuma bye good evening I will say we are akafiaphobia kantamanto nsɛm a ɔpanyin a ɔne ne di nkɔmmɔ yi I don't know say a lawyer was one lawyer I don't know
that's akafia na you know also Arabia any PSA that have the casino hey that's the utie ni PSA oh yeah lawyer oh I don't want to say
Adumo
bibi aboko de
boko
na say that
ani PSA na ho ebe nwanwa
any PSA ho yen nwanwa e wo kwan ben senso
nka ode wo no na mpese wo tape na ma ha ma ka se
na
ya wo bra ya wo hu bia na wo
ya ka me boma no
ade obi ani mo bi ate wo de wo so nte hey ani PSA
ade o tie wo
ama di ho ya anyway my men share tea for him say mo confirm so
oh sir
easy dubrika free through be sana be dru ha nti me tu kan kan so
oh yeah say me won kan
me ho na me say me amenu be ma the mafia man
chairman untu me
mafia king
why
gonja mafia tam na ko say nsawom
asema can o marewade
be na otwene ni na otwempo we last week o baby me president Mahama and I know can about arrest Rambo style arrest the prosecution na ekọ koso no no so ono de odemra na ye djuma mra ne ba ne ya hwehwem mu wi a ne de se de o hye ne de wakọhye ho eni na nsan metese ye de wontumi akọ o betese ba ha me kasa na me say dama ase papa ye oba bibi no ampa meti ya no waye na de ne biom
na say the president Mahama na ye court e na ye
odo ne na eka o kan wie na nsa ene de wontumi kọhye mu tenchira ohwe am de kire mbibi o kan wie no 3 days ena ye de wontumi akọhye mu ahia 20 years bone ben no waye they say all license say okoye mining e wasase bi so na galamsey fo bi akokodi ho ana obi behu no say onkonko katade ne so man na omonu yakube wo na nipa na ekokatade zo hu go no onso ko tubi ana omko ho ekokire no na otu de ekokire no anu otu ade no abai say da bi wo de hu hiame ni mum de license no ma no no ana yenchire nko shemu 20 years.
But okay say Abanka say they want to go after the Kingpins, John Dramani Mama.
Kimp ye bisa papa na no omko chie no say enti uko 2 gold no uma wontumi bibi wose dabi. Gold otu nyina wa ma ne kapre. Wa Kimpina, Kimpin be no be ko be adwuma se ya onidi hu. Kimpina also ko chire no. Ono na sase. Yes, and like na sase. Uno aman permit zone konkutu. Ono ankasa ankutu obi akutu galamse wo so obi abase okoy reclamation ma ono zuko duro hu gold no otubi. Wakochire de pakro no. O say dabi o de me do be witness. Kofie koda gold otu asase a o say ni nyina no. Kofie koda. Ni mum de license ni ma no nkoda mu 20 years. And now this is an case.
Na say sa na mranete o.
Mranete say.
Some say facilitation.
Facilitation ni say wudi hu bi. Nipa na mo ko tse no say we ni hu wa ma ne kapre.
Omo ye cross examination sa no kan.
Was see ye bisa say the gold a unya no o ma untu bibi was there bi.
Na say emranda ho say aban di asase ama say wo no kona ko yesu adwuma na didi. Na fa biboa eye oman no. Na wakwakotu efom agudie wo so we opese reclamation na. Adenti na wuntumi. Ankonkobo eye lands minister amane say.
Dabio. Wankwa asase no so ogwakotudi okotu. O se asase no galamse fu akodidi so ama say enti okokata so no madua efele say kube. Na so a ojamuso adidi. Say ani nya kata na okokata amana na so. Okoye no ko hu si gold na bi wo ho e no nso de machines ziso wuntumi so onti sa krom ho wonu be sa krom do
Samra boy no
wonu wo akoda
sa
western region mu ho no mo chire ho babi
omare wade ye bobodi ko Samra boy ye ni omo kasae wo de tie omo
ya me da wase na jedi kan me chia watifo a ehwe fidi kronkron so nyina o chema wuntumi no obaye no oba hasa maboaman ho hwe nipa baakofo ekwan ofaso ma nsuo yiri afasa maboa kuro nyina na ni nyina ho de ne free se na power wo mo wonti cause ye hwe ma hu se adwuma na mo ye na nya ne mra kwan so ben so na mama mu na ne panyini so wa ba miti o se chema wuntumi se o ye de o ye o se ye de 20 years se afo me cha nto aso o ye ne nkoyi ma ye iti o ye ni pala be se ne ye je ne de to me de wa haye na so law na taking course nti me ntumi ka se me dana se ye me de bet chema wuntumi de se je ana ka sa do bi aso be ye nti o deserve se je because o man ho so wo sama boy ha emu ko ye ko manipa ba ko wi chema wuntumi ka se nipa ba ko wi etutu bo nipa no o ha bebre nti chema wuntumi okono ba bi ma bo se emra wo wi ase anipa ba ko fo ma sama tese adwuma hwede si ko yeye numne folo so nya na wonam ho na wo se na wo yese ye kaka nam se wa na wo obusi wo do sesi obunti do ba ya na wo ye nti amasi asama boy do ya bread no so ebre no so ko brebi nti
and you know
in the minds of the people ya kangu even nipa etie bi na bebre ma adwen ne se wuntumi na ne tu galam sei no but enyo no yes na concession ne dia yes on the signboard the see or say wuntumi akonta mining concession but the people as even we speak today because mo ko no mo jai tua and na ye ka say na sa ne concession go for gusu machines gusu etu ta o zamu but amanfo ti okrom ho for say wuntumi machines ne go ho no o see as dia no ne dia ya man permit so nkutu but amanfo since amanfo gusu e din say ya amanfo hunu say amanfo e din na say campaign the concession man na concession what dey me because o concession o do be too much itimi chiri otumu bra Ibrahim mechiao de papa unia be me kan die just o concession na de ama no obi ko didi so a itimi jeli o so facilitate wa alawe
na say facilitation aye ka ho asem no say nipa no ekoye adwuma wo so na the name that you have mentioned enim ho hwea you cannot be charged for facilitation
or say papa ite would to be sort in the baby ena a mining for a mining for no my license no e be friend say akobi aba ho no aba we search no say ne concession no or per se or hwe no na ja mo de number man no ko sia obehia no e dey asem a o say yese hu ayibi wo ho no concession bi no nkofo atutu so o per se o kata so no odua kube wo ho na eso a na ja ya che ana so na say asempa eno kra dua kube no kra ebenya be man krofo adwuma ebe tong sika be bantini say me nyankotu ma be concession de ko na kokoye okoduru ho no eno onu ko hu say ade no mu ye ena o start yes no mumu etu wa mle wuntumi sika bi o si ebisa na o kwa
asa wuntumi na ma na kwan say
ya na meka no wa kwase wonkonkotu onko katak kalamse no ankrofo amna na ankrofo tutu egu onko taso ni eni akube
na udi ade am obi a ade na wuntumi so ankonko supervise say adwuma na ode ma no eno na o ye ana so o e bibi foforo
da bi o ati say o ka ye kitawe na odi ama obesi o fakọ circle bra no ko dia ko people na so dia ko ye akoye bibi no bi sa se adan na odi ka no ma no na wan ko tren ka no ma fesa kwa no o twi ka no ye na wontwi no ye e wa bra artist studio hey will that be a fair question asase no amanfo edidi so omu twa galam se nugu omu tutu kwa na obi abase mesrewa me pesi mi ko kata so na edua kube na ye che no say okay go ahead and do ya nchro krata ya nyehwe ukoye na ukoya utu galam say no wan kaso okon gold o wo de wo so ko kata so say na wo kwa kodi ukodi di yewie no na apotire na aya hwan no muso enum di emako a fifreti apotro na apot ayi kotre kodi emako ni ese guntumi ko na ko demu onso because assassin de ma eno ma obi akoko dua kube
yeah o say me no de okanyina no ho me how kese a me wo ho no say sa me masase e de amasafo say onji na nko siesi asase na mami eno ye verbal agreement amene ne dantem na me amete hei manfa echire ankonko hwe say asase na me sisafo kokoko sieso no onko siesi so no onko siesi no ye ade foforo na asamba ho a me amete hei e wo se echire me
as a matter of fact before say ye ba omkoche the osisafo na wontu bi atwera akoma security for police for ministry for the say ne concession na wo de man no nkrofo ye galamsey e wo so ento mo nko papom mfiri so mo ko so manko ene be ka tse de say akwa no obi so we ko kata so ama no enti ne kokoye ba me wontu be so tikumase so bia no abehyan kran kakra na djuma ne party na djuma party djuma wo ye nti na wo de wo so watire no wo de na kwakọhye ensawo mu simply because na sase no obi akodidi so nipa kron so akọchire no so wo two gold no a oye galamsey no enka omo boys no kra it means chire boys ni chire China fo ya ye vom go to boys ya di China fo ya chire omu nyina nipa na akoto no ono ne boys ne machines na de nyina no wo de ne de ama no onsan akoto aso ne momuntumi oso ba chire campaigns ono wan ni sika ne bi no ono ene onkonko dem just because you want to satisfy your illiterate followers. That's how I call them.
Sana huno.
You want to satisfy ono ne say want to make catch no. So dukumasi adebe nti on say mesuma I also say case am say 8 months 7 months. 8 months.
Now, sir, as far as I know, no, it is now, the fastest political case.
Court say, you know,
but for the new one, come on fast aquan or so mine. Because a binimu a suba in yefe.
A binimu said this guy by a jam free.
8 years moment me anyo mo.
And I make a say ya net to the beer.
8 years.
Yeah,
moment me anyo mo.
Ya net to the beer me dwa me party for no kakra company for no kakra onu dentia.
Dentia.
Ja men kan men ma mramfa ne kwan so na let the law is the law, let the law work. Papa by the law is working. But no ma law na ye there adwuma ope.
Debbie, you can't say that. You don't have any evidence. You don't have any evidence to say that. You can't say that. Untimi nkasa.
Udum say omu katre Akufo-Addo say wa park court or grumman. None there's room. Akufo-Addo mfie nwotwe a obetena so no. Of a judge for I think say 80 usai. 80.
Na say judge Kokuvia ye kana ho asemi. Anya Akufo-Addo na dey na ba.
Me wo for deeper 80. And so Akufo na Mahama say omo nyina MPP for judges. Okay. Kokuvia
so na do na dey na ba.
Of a nipa 80 mfie nwotwe. Papa ba ni mfie mienu. Wafa nipa more than 120.
Are you speaking to facts?
Facts, judges. Akufo-Addo ado mfie nwotwe no ano ye kana ho asem say then wafa and the all park 80 something.
But offer 80 something
na mfie wa wo say mfie omo dos dodo and na me no kase Supreme Court no say Akufo-Addo apark no no me 13 and na mo do 21 ti o ka dey we ade achi no adane no o ka say ade achi na ogina ha. I don't get it. Minim so de otiase a uhunu ni ya de papa mu a minim so otiase a how he does it, they do their things. And let also actually
no now no ye ba ko ha
me kasi after can tell you
actual work ni
unim omo satisfy unim nipa omo listen nipa 5 am person o make sure say omo de omo do mu twa skalele unim skalele omo do mu betwa omo num
why
untumi ye 1 Gabi oye 2
Gabi benga
Gabi asa FIA watch dako
ono omo so why then
wo de so fast track court at the tribunal. What is on TV?
Sir, bill no my pass. President or the on finance Sanchez say.
On the best around
that's a train.
On the best around
Now say anti LGBTQ plus but then bill no. Omo pass here na say
aka wiem aka and Gabi mu kind of flat than the number one quite ka be court say nsu no na Donald Trump head name amoyo krumo say sabe mo agimi for ti mo mu nipa
now so sabe okay
me to sabe
there you can see that
okay may you free ho may you free ho was say o hwa de no mu din say ya was say Trump be tembi a pe kra tra until we bra abeko we yeah, omuguso hwe na pechire na kotum. Just where dibon bi o. O da won kan not say so can for o disika bi o wi esika bi anazo wa fasika bi. No.
So muso.
Anya on nko. Kan ka ho. E friend say abroje ka ho. Ya table ya sensa ho say ya circle. E na on person om de notice ya kase o say ejele papa untumi. What you need for me come.
Na say MPP for no so bi ani age.
Sidai.
Omo no mugugu mu nsuo.
Hwan.
Ochena tie bi mabubobo sankrofo no nyina edin.
Omo
omani giye.
Enka meti he enka bobo ya nka mani age.
Omo omani giye. Ebi mu kura no ntiensa kan say. Ebi mu frɛ president Mahama say onjeli untumi. Wabra eye ken.
Na Jehovah.
Eko pacho.
Na Jehovah. Yes, no. Yes, no.
And do much as any MPP for be there.
And I make a choice.
The base for any young day. Oh,
that's a bow. Then can go on. Okay. Sure so be chrome ha. Na dwen da ho na koma fitia na ni age.
Oh sir.
Yes. Enipa kanina onum say bebre na no mani age the first wontumi na no tu galam say no. No ye adwuma no. But anya galam say no tu. ne deɛ ne sɛ ɔka sɛ mede me to go that check me nkrata I know where to get documentation done wɔyɛ ne nkrata nyina afrɛkyɛm onye ɔnkɔ starte hɔ na manfo akɔto asi mu edie ɛna so mu asi bɛka kyerɛ no besrɛ wada da bi akwan kora akɔyɛ saa de no to ɔda ɔbɛda na ne agye
na sɛ yɛbɛkyere na ato mu edie aban sɛ ɔmbɛyɛ prosecution witness why not
wona akɔdi bɔne no na wakɔdi adanse sɛ kurom sɛ papa o ase
nku
ase ayi wontumi ɛna de hɔ ma no ɔde hɔ ma ase kotu galamse wɔsɛ na ɔkɔdua kube ɛna ɔkɔhu gold tɛ sɛ ɔtwe ho a wonti ase nso so yɛtumi atena kurom ha ɛde akɔ court ama judge atena so ɛma ayi judge akasa ɛso nkɔda mu fie adue na woka mo sɛ ayi a friend say
facilitation
or facilitated yeah.
All right, SOMPA 106.5 FM. Or Mariwa de bisa say or facilitate then Maminka will say Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. And we almost asking ID for God and country you may be in bro. Dr. Dubois papa Andrew to ye wow nantiano NCC suya. Bomoding pa na for which Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Stroke na kawa to them. What can pass ojen wenje. Yare kwankro adokro ache. Amount min nante. Movement no aye limited. Me pacho yade bia wo de friend number we sisi a Dr. Duboatin bebe fie na waba be show number ne 0244 867068 0244 867068 ebia mo betimi afra 027 423 4321 oye massaging nyina se umpum ye oya na obehia massager bomodin na fa weni kire Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic empuno se wenya eye asawie na akase de obenante physiotherapy wenya kwanhia akase de obetutu nan eriesisi a ana obeyusu nsa bomodin na fa weni kire Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic Dr. Duboatin obema physiotherapy a eye papa woba wo pa wo bema jinsoyi a wo so oni obahie mu no wajebu wahra na obrebo mu ntrimu yade me pacho na wi me koso akanfo Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic area ma me pacho mabiom from 0244 867068 nkomo bia opeso ni ndi bia no obenya akwanya no na di na mpono pede cha kwan wa akra ha owo spintex ekwan no social signboard wo kumase a obehunu o chronom abohia eho ena obo Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic ebio maminka say RSYD no Vigi Studio so asene na wi enwumre ye kan RSYD a studio a woma be bie no won kran ha eho so ye eho feye te ba just timi gande enwumre ya de wo so ye nyina no se so opese otwa sini a eni da ho opese your music video a eni da ho podcasting now person ya na more special setup studio with all the effects I bet me aboa ama podcasting now person ye no ebeko edemu photo shoot now pe na and short videos now person ye or more professional backdrops or more creative director no so obeboa me pa cho RSYD no Vigi Studio cha kwan ewo malam abase ewo first Kokro street no so ubetimi akoho na wako experience the creative environment ebeboa ama videos no mfonya obetwa no ebeye kama from 057 47 15 778 057 47 15 778 RSYD no Vigi Studios. That is where your vision can become real for you. Maminko na mintie a voice note in we. Na mitie voice note we are. Then I'll come back and pick your calls. Remember numbers to call no 0260 196064 0260 196065.
Hello, SOMPA. Opening case here, same say from ABOTCHIE. Sorry, mean Kaudi papa. ABOTCHIE na yedi dia. Dear me can say politicians. Ya na say case will be a politician. Nim PSC. Woni me minimum pa. Me yonko no years ago. Na kachre no. So tia. What I no mu fi say. So ko ye politician. Woni me nyansa che. Obia. Enti asemba. No apekwan bi so aka no aye free so I say mahama eko ka se ne nkofo yi bi wo so wante ya na so mu die ho agro ene ya na me ya no se wo mahu se sebe enipa wonim die wo man mu no kitua bi sebe aduasa abodjimi for the doors so mia me nkofo ne na de se di sitie politician da no no okodi emo anwamo no de anwa no be fa na no ho a no wakama no ne asa ama no post no abewie sika na dia no wote ho enu nti na ama wo mo yeyesi na nkanye sa eni mpiesie nsem a wo interview na wo keka afere anopai ahomache metie BBC me na ho ya frɛ NDC appointee bi na o kasa ekire se ai ye wuntumi case no chese wo mo fight galamsey enti na ama wuntumi womo edemra ye adwuma ma ye jeli no na nipa chese me tie BBC me tie no na me be di we no wo behwe no so menua woni ne gira wona abo se bia wonya wo mu ayi se wakọ secondary school and wanya watna na sabe wutimi se nyansa bia nyansa aye just ni school kakra na wakọ no ni aye political appointee no akọtena baabi no o kansem che wotia no wakoma enti na mintie Ghana radio Adam Federal Committee eye for ye na so BBC na mkotie ya mtiwe enti menua me dase wo de brenti mesa ba me dase
KB e bera wase pa se wo the voice note e de bae se me kwa ama no so 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me ba cho wana me ne ka say ABC me ba cho ma enti why
na ho ya de
me ho ye pa
e ba cho ni bi ija kwete kuma na kitete en ka me regional chairman ala pa cho kuma Abigail woman organizer Maxwell Oba calling to constituency the committee ba to muntumano na mi sha na pa you ashama no ashama so maintain yeah Tito Omar wa adjesse enti pase eka Joseph Yami ene je 20 years ya eka oba se obesu ala ba ete ti kalma mi ya mi twaso okay we are be tano ma mi twaso ko ti taju ala se why to go to ko ba se why say yeah nia omo fi se a di na mi ka e fi se omo na mi twa mota green and the job of Motor Lebana, Yaya Kaje, Mota White, and the Baum. Check. Moshe ye. Into one of parents of the and running to do. I want to catch up there. I am not and a Dahote. Say, you could chrono, not with the blower. I want to get you watching me. Now, talk out there if I told me, you make your dance yourself. My father or the tour may quite by the fact. You may show as I'm back. Or catch the two or cover the fat, you bet you. It's catch up there. Only in the fat and say Ghana for that canoe. Catch up, ye papa, if you look on that or money for you. Say, I tell you what a big one. Now, almost jack, good year. May send to the process.
Me da say, so bye. Hello. Yeah, me
from Katabato Market, Accra.
Me da say, me ho ye pan patro eti oi.
Me ye Katako, Papa, to watch it. See that call a number of interview. Nothing wake up. Many are told what it. I'm a capital coming from where the Gromania. Then funny for money this kind of told what it. In the company, I found come a down. Greater Accra, woman organizer, Naomi Akosio Usu, on one echo no site. Oh, at the house say, what charge I can natural chairman. I come at the call fat. Man, a B, first white chairman. On one.
Me ba cho a year call with him.
I'm a commander. And yet, some young car. Maybe I didn't know. I who could be at the old could be. Now, could be. Now, who could be at the old go to Galamsey. Let's go to what I be dance. Hey, and I come and money. Yeah, one say, just up your me. And I banker, Attorney General say, almost to Galamsey. Yoko, I was saying, if I told Galamsey, I took an. The question no, I'm saying no. Much it to me a problem no. What do you I'm saying yet to me? But I told Joseph me no more to I'm saying no. And I'm the auto money ye. And I'm end this one Domon says so. And I'm only a
Me da say pass by. Hello, good evening.
Abotchie.
Yeah, me ba cho wana me ne ka say wadarma.
Well, near Asoribani, Bukuru here.
Asorba warama patro eti oi.
I'm a 5 year limited amount for say over America, over America. Now, bet you don't have drama there.
Dynamic,
na so mutuni wi na me no mi no ebekwa ye ho kwan ebefa so anyumre moni adwuma ma bi me bo so mare wa de so ti di ho
how yeah
di go on ho ne pa send me on do de ma why
me pacho kawase I am pesado do mko wenim
ana adwuma ma me santi akese man kamin national chairman ye ABOTCHIE ejakon and an incoming Greater Accra Women's Organizer, Oba Perpetua. Mestre, the boss of OCD, who is on your campaign, man, penny, when you know, maybe calling him, come on, if you not standing then welcome. My book, na Ghana, Yaman, Semono, and Pempensua, Ejinano. My respect is something another than Kokufa, and come on, no, 30 men said, dear. 30 men have become ready to say, how man the NDC appointees, ministers, educated double salary, of 3 euros 30 men, they're not in leader of parliament. I catch them say, so make your attempt so the inside the Casa Ankro for November random media. That is what the inside democracy. If you want to say, Yemi Ibrahim Mahama, Kanibako, Yemi Monoso, me check your bounce so your home sense, and Menka set a mountain of the camera. Yemubinu. Yasha here trying this food. You say me list, we could have more than 19 lists. 1 day people will turn here. Let me say better so that they say, "Usha, on my room to see here." I would say, Oba Domiko Benya, Asante, Omuchiche and Coco, here for ye and Coco Kitty. O may be in a Macobia, fear, Unya Cocomi and Sakura will fear her. You know, Cassidy. That causes financial loss to the state.
Darling Prince on Facebook. I say, Prof, watching you live inside. Zibodja say, Ahimbubuano in the Adansi North District. Greetings to the District Chief Executive of Ekrufrum, Adansi. Chief Gariba Mohammed, and by the other some messages there will also be reading. Hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me bacho wana me nene kasi.
ABOTCHIE so na naam wa me kasa bi boy I sort of influence.
Me da say me bacho 18.